Hello, everyone. I really hope you're doing well and feeling great. We're back with another educational video. In this tutorial, we want to continue teaching you about constraints, or as we call them, constraints. I've built a model beforehand, and I'm sketching on the screen of the plane here where we were working with constraints. Well, we haven't mentioned the coincident constraint here yet. The parallel and perpendicular constraints. Today we want to work with this star. Look at the coincident constraint. For example, you have a line like this. All right, you also have a line like this. You want this point to touch this line. You say, to make this point coincident with this line, look, stop this now, look. It's as simple as clicking on it. Look, when you click on it, this is a check mark. It actually turns into a circle now. Look, it's blue. If it's blue again, it's blue again. Actually, if you click on it, it will turn purple or pink. You can cut it from here. This will relax. Now the constraint will disappear. Let me say this again. Look at this. I'll stop looking at this. What is this? What is the constraint? The constraint of Quincy is constrained. I'll click on its constraint. Well, it's relaxed. Look. Now that it has relaxed, I can take it anywhere I want, and this way I remove the constraint. So, if you connect this point to this line, what happens? It becomes coincident, and it will also be considered coincident along its extension. Keep that in mind. So, what else do we have? The parallel and perpendicular constraints. I'm saying that, for example, make these two lines parallel to each other. I select this line and I select this line. I say, what should you do? Make them parallel to each other. When you click on these two, see, if you click on this point, the parallel symbol appears. If you click on it, it relaxes, and you can remove the constraint. This way, you relax them. Let's go with Ctrl Z. What about this constraint? It's actually the parallel constraint. What other constraint do we have? The perpendicular constraint. I want to interact this line with that other line. I'm selecting this. I'm selecting this. I'm saying to show the perpendicular. I'm selecting look. Now they are perpendicular to each other. Look at the Zabi, change them, they change. What else do we have? From now on, I can take these two. For example, I will give them a collision, take this point and do it. For example, this line with the coincident constraint, I will turn this into this coincidency. Now I have collided. This is the constraint of coincident, parallel, and perpendicular. We still have the tangent, equal, symmetric, and make bind constraints left. We'll go over these in more detail in the upcoming videos. I hope this tutorial video has been helpful for you, and wherever you are, stay safe and proud. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until the next video, take care.